Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Dodge Avenger battery. First, prioritize safety by wearing protective eyewear and gloves. You will need a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal brush, and a new battery of the correct group size. Make sure your vehicle is parked on a flat surface with the engine off and all accessories, like lights and radio, turned off. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe battery replacement process. Now let's remove the old battery. The battery in a Dodge Avenger is usually found behind the left front fender, often requiring wheel and fender liner removal. Using your 10mm wrench, first loosen and remove the negative battery cable, which is typically black. Always disconnect the negative terminal first to prevent electrical shorts. Next, loosen and remove the positive red cable. Finally, unfasten any hold-down clamps or straps securing the battery in its tray. With the old battery out, it's time for the new one. First, clean the battery tray and the terminal clamps using a wire brush to ensure good electrical contact. Carefully place the new battery into the tray, making sure it sits flat and securely. Reattach the hold-down clamp to prevent any movement. Now, connect the positive red cable first, then the negative black cable, tightening both firmly with your 10mm wrench. You're almost done. Before closing the fender liner, double-check that both battery terminals are tight and secure. Applying a small amount of anti-corrosion grease to the terminals can help prevent future corrosion and extend your battery's life. Start your engine to confirm everything is working correctly and check for any warning lights. Remember to properly recycle your old battery at an authorized facility. Many auto parts stores offer this service.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.